All right, y'all, here's another one. This time it's from my Hoover Elite. Hoover Elite 2, that is. I'm gonna start putting out more content. So this channel pretty much is a channel for all my vacuum collectors. I know I'm not the only one. Quite a few of y'all have channels collecting vacuums. Shouts out to Arbuck and Marshall Studios. Shouts out to the vacuum channel. I hope y'all can find me over here, man. Again, I cannot say it enough. My other page will not let me upload videos. So this is the new page. This is the new channel. So, like I said in one of the first videos, I think the very first one that I made to this channel, you can still go to that channel and you can still watch the videos, but I can no longer upload videos on that channel. So come to this channel for newer videos. Anyway, here's the Hoover Elite 2. Had this one for quite some time. Definitely one of Hoover's finest Hoovers. So we'll go ahead and take it for a spin. That's my Hoover Elite 2. I got plenty of Hoovers. So be on the lookout for more videos. See y'all here in a minute.